Ever wonder what it really means to have severe anxiety? Hey there, my anxiety warriors! I'm Carol, a PhD student in physiology, and in the next couple of minutes, I'm gonna talk about a topic that is super important but often misunderstood: severe anxiety. So, let's get started. Anxiety is something you've probably experienced from time to time. Maybe it's before a big test or during a job interview. But for some people, anxiety can be much more intense and long lasting. And that's what we call severe anxiety. So, what does it look like? Let's break it down. First up, the physical symptoms. These can include severe fatigue, feeling constantly tired even after a full night's sleep, insomnia or disrupted sleep, difficulty falling or staying asleep leading to restless nights, trembling or shaking, involuntary muscle movements that can make you feel unsteady, sweating, excessive perspiration even when you're not physically active or hot, nausea or tummy troubles, frequent upset stomach or digestive issues, a racing heart, feeling like your heart is pounding or beating irregularly, and feeling dizzy, feeling lightheaded, or with the sensation that the room is spinning. Next, let's talk about the physiological symptoms. If you have severe anxiety, you might often feel extreme worry or fear. And this isn't just your average jitters. This is a persistent, overwhelming sense of dread. You might also experience panic attacks, obsessive thinking, and difficulty concentrating. This constant state of worry can make it hard to enjoy everyday activities. Now, when it comes to behavior symptoms, you might avoid certain situations or withdraw from social interactions. This can really impact your daily life. You might find yourself missing out on things that you used to enjoy or feeling isolated from friends and family. Severe anxiety often leads to significant problems in areas like work, school, and relationships. It's like trying to juggle too many balls in the air at once. Eventually, it becomes too much to handle. But here's the good news: help is available. Severe anxiety is treatable, and there are many resources out there, from therapy to medication. And remember, talking about mental health is key. By understanding and supporting each other, we can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a little extra support. Stay positive, stay connected, and I'll see you next time.